This evening in Primetime News, the industry is using lie detector tests before they offer you a job. And the lawyer who thinks one day those employers will get sued. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, the Education Minister on whether teachers with tattoos should be hired.
Former JPS engineer says the weekend blackout should not have happened.
Weekend floods caused major damage to St. James School.
And the latest from the Bank of Jamaica about price increases.
In the business day, Charisma announces expansion of hotel project in Sudan.
There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary and primetime weather in this package. But before the break, the feedback question.
What is your reaction to the all-island power cut which occurred on the weekend?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.